What is going on, everybody? Today is Wednesday, the 28th of July, and this is my trading day review. End of the day down negative $300. Um, Today was a really weird day for me because I I mean I have taken an L like this before, but like at the same time, like I kind of like forgot about like this unspoken rule that you don't trade options right after earnings. Especially on a stock that went crazy like this. I played puts on Google in the morning. There was a bunch of put volume coming in, and you know what I'm saying. I grabbed three contracts of the 2630s. I probably grabbed them like around here. No, no, no. I grabbed them probably off this break right here. Yeah, off this break right here, and it dumped, but the premium was not moving at all, at all. So the premium was inflated due to like probably like the IV on these contracts. And you know what I'm saying? It was not moving at all. It was going in the direction I wanted it to go, but you know what I'm saying? The IV crusher, I don't know what it was. It just wasn't moving at all. So I took a $240 L right there. At one point, it was up to like $300 just this, but um the premium kind of came back a little bit off this little break right here. I held above this because it held um under the 90 MA, and then I just got out here because I saw it was gonna reclaim support on the 90 MA, so I got out right there. Now I just need to write this rule down again because um I was gonna trade Google anyways, but at the same time it wasn't a great idea because not now I know and now I remember that when stocks have their earnings and they have either a large gap up or a large gap down, or like, or maybe they just barcode it for like throughout the earnings. It's better to just avoid them at for like a good 1 or 2 days until the IV on the contracts go back to normal. I mean, I probably could have looked at something else in the morning and instead of looking at this. And usually, I don't know why, but I took, see, yeah, the super IV crush, bro. Look at them. They were, at the end of the day, they were worth $1, and it did push. But look, see, it came back down to this level, but like the premium just got crushed, and it was just a bad decision on my part. Um, but now I know, and now I'm gonna remember why you don't play options on stocks that just had their earnings. So I did that. The rest of the day, I really couldn't find any plays, probably due to the FOMC meeting, and you know what I'm saying. J Powell was talking today. There was a lot of choppiness within the market. The only thing that had like 100% well, like the only thing that I kind of had like a good conviction rate right here was AMD, but I don't really like playing AMD calls due to like all like even though it did moon, like it does move with like a choppiness flow to it, and the premium doesn't move the way I like it to. It moves by small increments, and I like playing stocks like Nvidia, Facebook, see Square, that the premium moves like really good with like small pushes. So I don't really like playing AMD. Kind of reminds me of Microsoft. But besides that, I had a really nice day. Let me see. Yeah, I didn't even play AMD. I was just watching it ride to the moon today. GG's. I played Disca puts. This was another mistake on my part right here. I told myself I wasn't gonna play puts on stocks that were under like $50 or something like that. It did have a nice move to the downside, and I was holding some contracts. I was holding these 25 calls right here. But the problem is that like the premium wasn't moving at all because there is not a lot of downside that it could really go to. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's been dumping for a minute and it's literally at the bottom already, so it's not gonna dump as much. So that's something that I'm definitely gonna review there to like not make that same mistake. I bought in at 40. I could have sold out at 50 for if I would have held off this bounce right here. But who the hell was gonna hold that up to there? You know what I'm saying? FCX just a call that I'm holding a small swing call. Roblox. I try to play Roblox. I try to play Roblox off the break of here. It Yeah, off the break of this level right here, it failed, but I got out at the same strike price. I mean at the same execution price that I bought in, so I took a $0 L right there. Um, TTD. So I tried playing TTD in the morning, but I just kept like missing out like on my entry. Like I don't know, this stock moves so weird. Like for you to catch like the premium at the stock, you have to buy it like when it's red. Like you have to buy it down here because once the premium starts running on TTD, like it just starts ripping crazy. And I was expecting way better tech earnings, especially for Facebook and stuff like that, because I think they use TTD for their advertisements, or like they're like associated with Facebook some way. But Facebook did dump, so I was expecting a like a bigger push on TTD, but I guess we're probably gonna come back down to like the 80s again. I don't know, unless other tech companies that use TTD actually rock it. We'll see what's gonna happen. But yeah, I was just chasing this premium for a minute. I probably should have just bought off this break right here, but it was just so like everything was just moving like so choppy today. Like I should have just stepped away. I was just like chopping it up like throughout the whole entire day with this freaking market, bro. Twitter. Let's see Twitter. All right, so I um my Twitter. I played Twitter off that news that they were gonna monetize accounts. I came up $60 the first time I went in it. So I bought at 94 and I sold a bunch of them at 105. I think so. No, no, no. I bought at 86 and I sold a bunch of them at 94, but I literally sold right before the pop. Literally right before the pop, and the premium was just straight ripping on them. And I wasn't in it. I tried to get back in, and I literally gave them back all the gains that I made off it. I was up like $60, and low key, this should have been my play for the day right here. Like I definitely could have made my Google L back right here for sure, but I didn't hold on for the second pop because usually Twitter has news like this and it usually just sells off. But it did have some good continuation here. It was being pumped by CNBC. I thought it was gonna break this flag, but it didn't. But yeah, that's basically what happened. Shout out to Twitter, man. And APT is just a penny stock that I hold. But besides that, bro, that was the day. It was very uncharacteristic of me to play like something like Google. You know what I'm saying? Especially after earnings, because because I don't really trade contracts unless there's actual momentum behind it, and I completely ignored or forgot about that IV crush that happens right after earnings. Probably to be honest, I feel like subconsciously I played Google because I remember the last earnings I played puts right after as well. I literally played puts right after Google's earnings in the 28th in the 20th of April. I'm sorry, I was got a text, but yeah, Probably subconsciously I just played it because that's what I played last time, and I did make money last time. But like the IV went in my way because it really dumped. But you know what I'm saying? This was just a really dumb trade. I'm just gonna focus on the momentum trades. Charted really good tonight, and then once I see a setup that goes with my trading style, I'm gonna take it. This was definitely not part of my trading style. I don't know why I took this, but besides that, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for today. And I kind of like these videos because I could look back and realize what the hell I was actually thinking. All right, I thought it was gonna dump because it pushed up way too much overnight, and the market was looking pretty bearish. But besides that, it was chopping, and what I'm saying, the rest of the market was chopping, and what I'm saying, it was just a whole mess. This is not what I should be playing. This is not the criteria I put myself in into every trade. You know what I'm saying? This or Disca. I probably should have never played that as well. Twitter was definitely a play that I will take regularly, and TTD, but I should have never followed premium. I'm just gonna write all of these things down, and what I'm saying, learn for tomorrow. And I hope you guys had a great day. And the chop didn't eat you guys up, and you guys bought AMD at the bottom. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Peace out, guys. Yeah.